You all know how annoying it is if the battery of your mobile is low and there is no way to charge it because there is no plug-in. So how about a mobile which is loading itself by sunlight? This is environmentally friendly and useful. I think you all know the situation. You're in a hurry, but you can't find your mobile and you need it. So most of you phone yourselves to find it. But that's annoying and not always possible. Why can't we just call for it and it will answer? Marco, Polo. Marco, Polo.
Ah!
Imagine you're ready to leave the house in the morning without knowing how the weather will be, but your phone does.
Sunny. Oh no.